This is our 1969 Chevy P10 step van ice cream truck. We customized it. Got the triple head vending machine on the side with an umbrella stand. Umbrella's put away. Our new window. How's the stock? Pretty good? Take a look at our truck. Here's a new countertop. Even got a little garbage area. Frozen 69. Come see the inside. Kinds of goodies. All kinds. CB radio. Nice little music box. Kinds of songs. 18-inch Freightliner steering wheel. Here's our business cards. There's a little Buddha guy, look at, rub his belly for good luck. Come on. Red pink and old school with the moony eyes, look at that. No speakers on the outside. Speaker is actually inside that hole right there. Nice big old trucker antenna, all LED lights. Hope to see you out there. Come support us if you see us in Salinas. You got free ice cream. Thanks. You'll see myself and my daughter Sabrina in here. We'll have all our wording, the decals, all on the side by the end of this month.